Oh, I got some. Got him. Oh, it's a big bass, bro. Dude, look at this. Just a big one. It's a big one. I got a bass on, baby. On the jerk bait. Oh, it's a nice bass. He's barely hooked, though. He's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Dude. He ate the... No, stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down, stay down. Oh, dang, dude, look at this bass. Dude, this is a nice bass. Dude, it's like a 3-4 pounder. Dude, that's a 5 pounder. That's a 4 pounder. Hold on. I'm gonna go. Hold on, this is gonna be dumb of me. Hold on, I'm gonna put him back in the water. I'm putting him back in the water. I had this bell open. I had the bell open. Hold on. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna have it all the way back here. Dude, that's like a 4 pounder, dude. I'm not even lying. Dude, that's a 4 pounder. That has to be a 4 pounder. I'm not even gonna lie. That's a big fish. Dude, I was reeling it up too, bro. Okay. Dude, this is a big fish. Here he is. Stay down, babe. Stay down. No, he's gonna jump. Stop. Stay down. I got him. Okay. Dude, this is a big fish, bro. It's a nice fish, man. And of course, I don't have any pliers with me. Of course, I don't have no pliers. Why would I not have pliers? Come on, man. Okay, I got one hook out. Dude, this hook's so weird. Okay, I'm gonna go get the pliers. So, yeah, poor buddy's going back in. He is hooked amazingly, really good. Yeah. So, he's gonna go back in there. Okay. This is a big fish, man. I can't lose this fish. It's like a 4 pounder. On the real back, dude. Alright, let's go. Yeah, dude, that's like a 4 pound plus. Oh, shoot, I just got hooked by something. Okay, here's the pliers. I thought I had my own pliers. Crap, my pliers are in my other bag. So all I have are these cutters, which is not good at all. Okay. Yeah, dude. This is a really good fish, bro. I can't believe I just caught this fish on the real back. On the jerk bait. Dude. Oh, he's fighting now. No, he's not. Stay down. Yeah, dude, he's... Let's see. See if it's a good jump for me. Yep. Dude, look at this fish fight, dude. He's still fighting. Uh-oh, we gotta get him in now. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we're dealing with here. How cool that second hook got out. Dude. I could just like, I can use this to my helpful now. No, I can't. Oh, I got it out. Dude, look at this fish, bro. Dude, this is a nice fish. Okay. Let's see how big he is. Dude, this is a 4 pound. I'm saying maybe 4 pound. I'd be so happy if it's a 5 pound. Let's see. This fish is... Oh, that's not right, is it? That's right. Wait. No, stop. My scale's messing up. He's actually not that big. He's a 1 pound, 51 ounce fish. Dude, he fought like a 4 pounder though. Look at them. It's a nice fish, dude. Look at that mouth. That mouth is crazy big. Okay, let's get a picture of him. That's the front and back. He bit the jerkbait, bro. On the jerk. Where's it at? Okay. Dude, it's a nice fish. Dude, look at them chompers he has right there. Oh, that's a nice fish, bro. Dude, let's get one more look at him, and we gotta get him back in the water. Pretty fish, man. Okay, let's get him back. Let's grab him by the skill plate. Eat on his way. Oh, let's go. 1 pound bass, dude. Almost a 2. On the chartreuse jerkbait, bro. On this little jerkbait. That is incredible. He went that way. Dude, that was a pretty fish, bro. A 1 pounder though. I thought it was a 4. He was fat. That's absolute monster. It's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. He could have been a 2, maybe. Alright. Let's get back to it. So he almost came unhooked. So I'm glad I got him out when I did. It was hooked really good on this. This is why I don't like this middle hook. I could actually take that off if I wanted to. It looks like it's screwed in by a flathead. Oh yeah, I could get that out. I could take that out. Alright, that's cool. On the old school mirror lure jerkbait too. Dude, I was just reeling it up, bro. Let's get back to fishing. So you can catch something else. So that was my fault. I was not actually prepared to catch a fish today because it's the hardest time to catch a fish this time of year. So that's my fault for not having my stuff ready. So sorry about that. Oh, I thought I had another fish. So crappie don't fight. So when I like hook them on something like this, dude, they don't fight. They just take it. So that's what at first I thought I had a crappie, dude, and all of a sudden he just starts fighting. So it was a nice little largie, not a young largemouth. There's some bigger ones in here, way bigger ones, 10 times that in here. So there's some 10 times bigger fish in here. There's some really big bass in here. Yeah, I was just reeling it up too to recast. Dude, that was a nice fish, bro. He went back over there, so I'm thinking there's a bed over there maybe. Who knows? They're not spawning no more. Maybe it's just like casting over there. Let's try to cast over there. Or one or two times. Starting to get, because he went over here. Maybe there's more fish over here. Oh, I thought that fish. No, I got freaking stuff on it. There you go. That's out. Most of it. I'm shocked I didn't catch them on the spoon. I'll actually switch back to the spoon now. I know I need a chrome colored spoon, but I couldn't find none of those, so I just bought a gold one. The second best color to use. So yeah. We'll try that out now. God, that's so funny I caught that fish. That fish had a big mouth. Dude, he could have been if they were eating right now, that would have been a 4-pounder easily. Easily. Alright, so now I got the SLX-DC and the little 7-foot rod that has no line in it. I need to re-spool this. Let me know in the comments how do you work a spoon, because I have no idea. Oh, dude, something big just blew up. I saw that. Dude, I saw that. Dude, oh, I think it broke one of the guides. No, it didn't. Yeah. Awesome. Dude, there's a big fish. Big fish. Big fish just jumped right there. On the other side of the pond. No, come on. Yes, I got it out. Dude, something big just blew up over there. Oh, it's close enough. Dude, something big just blew up. Dude, that's like a big old fish. Ooh. I need a twitch bait or something. I'm gonna go tie twitch bait on, just in case something else blows up down there. Let's go get twitch bait. Wait, drones. Make sure I don't get nothing. No, alright, let's go get it. Let's go. Make sure my floor's not frayed. Isn't frayed. Alright, good. It feels a little frayed right there, but it's fine. Might hit me like the slightest bit. Okay. I know I have a twitch bait. Oh, there it is. Dude. So now they're actually like starting to eat. They're like starting to eat top water now, which is perfect for me because that's what I usually like to use. So yeah. Oh no, it's not frayed. I thought it'd be frayed. It's not. Oh yeah, we're gonna have that fish out for like a couple of minutes. Okay. Okay, we got this off. Thank you for your work. I'll put you on later, hopefully. Okay. So this video will come out later tonight, or I may edit it as soon as I get home. So yeah, it should be out within so it's about 12 now, maybe 11:30. It's 11:40, so this video should be out by 5 tonight. Should, if nothing with the editing stuff goes wrong. So yeah, I don't know. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I go half a dozen loops over. You take your, this is my knot. My knot's really good. You take this tag in, you go through it, and then you have this other knot, circle right here, and you go through it 6 times. 2, 4, 5, maybe 6. Okay, there we go. It's a good knot too. I would suggest it, so yeah. Learn it now. Because it's a good knot and I like it, and I do not want to lose this $20 bait. I actually lost at the lake, but thank God it's a top water. So we got it back. Yeah, this knot is just crazy. And since it's heavy, I'll get to cast it more farther than that jerk bait because it's a little heavier than the jerk bait, so yeah. So we'll cast it out once. Like directly, probably like over there maybe. Oh crap, no. I can't walk without getting this thing hooked on anything. So yeah, we'll just we'll have it on standby here. We'll have it on standby just in case something decides to blow up again. We'll have it right there, ready and waiting. So yeah, let me know in the comments how you work this. I do not know how to work a spoon at all. I just saw this on the shelf. I'm like, oh, it's shiny, so probably use it for bass fishing. So yeah, here I am. And I've seen people like work it slow, but I know that usually doesn't work. Oh, actually, I think you use it like that. All right, never mind. I think I figured out how to use it. Slow. I do need to put more line in here. I think I'm gonna do a fluoro thing and just start reeling it in, dude. I may need to do that. I mean, I have fluoro on me. Copy? Holy. I've seen people that use it on Fishing Planet. I play that too, dude, but you know, it's not the most realistic game in the world. Like Call of the Wild fishing. That one's really good. I like that one. Yeah, I saw a bait pop out of the water down there. See, I have no line in here. I need to fill it up. I need to re-spool it. Put some fluoro again. Or braid. I do have some braid I could throw in here. So I might put some braid on here. And then I'll put a fluoro leader on it. Perfect. I don't have any braid on me. So yeah, we'll have to wait till I get home. And then tomorrow, if my dad's not working, I'll come back out here. See what I can catch. Alright, cool. So now I know how to work a spoon. There you go, a little drake in it. Right there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Dude, if this thing is 98, I'll be so mad. Yeah, this spoon cost me like $5, dude. I'm not even gonna lie. Should probably cast it like more out that way. So now if I was over there, it'd been a good day of fishing. Oh no, I thought I had some on. Do I? Yeah, it's called. Oh, I almost got it out. Ooh, sorry about that. Yeah, maybe I should not do that. Okay, it's not. Here we go. Dude, I love this 7-foot medium fast rod, dude. Even work here. Even work like this. Well, the donkeys just got fed, but they haven't. That smells like donkey. That's what I'm smelling. It's really a donkey's pen because it's like. This is where the donkeys stay. I love that smell. I'm weird. Oh, I thought I had some, bro. Oh, I think I did. So yeah, eat it again. Yeah, I think it's eat it again. I think I have a good knot in here. I don't want to know. So my biggest fear right now is if I have a big 10-pounder on and I have that little much fluoro left on it, dude, I'm getting spooled and probably losing that 10-pound bass and the spoon. And about 100 or so yards of line. Maybe 80, maybe 50 yards. My biggest fear. Oh, I thought I got it out. I made the spook over there in that corner. I'm gonna do that after this last cast. Just let her sink. A fish on? I just like it with fish on. That's not so good. I think we're wrapped around the rod tip. There we go. Yeah, I had it wrapped around. Alright, that's the last cast. Hey, something boiled right there. I don't know if you saw that, but before it landed, something boiled. Okay. Alright, let's get the spook out. God, this thing likes to spin. Okay. What is it? Oh, it's a Johnson Sprite spoon. That's what I'm using. No, it's a spoon. I just don't know what the brand was. Okay. So we have to spook out now. And of course it gets windy all of a sudden. Okay. Well, we'll catch that on this little bend right here. Oh, it got bit. Something bit it. There's the out there. See if we can get a fish out in the middle. Also, maybe another one. Okay, let's catch something. Flash something over on this side. See my this second hoodie's like going like a crop top, and it's making my stomach cold. Where'd it go? Oh, I did like a lot on it. Okay, I had this on standby. I really want to throw this spoon. Whoa, I've actually never had this happen before. It's been pretty quiet so far. Okay. It's been a quiet day besides that one fish, that's it. Dude, I like how all of this is smooth and just have all of this. That's crazy. This one's just fast, right? This thing's gonna be looking crazy. Oh yeah. Where's the battery at? Battery's about to die. Okay, well, not good. See how we do this. I wish I could vertical jig right here. I wish you built a dock like going out to about right here. To about like right here maybe. So like all the beluga and all that can come like right here. And it'll be easier to access this side without that tree being in the way. I can tell you how many lures I've snagged on that tree. Okay, yeah, I'm not working. That would work the vertical jig. But I didn't. Okay guys, I'm gonna end it here for today. I'm gonna go home, rest, then edit if I can. So I'm gonna just call it a day here on that one fish. I got no other bites on anything else. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out by getting bigger out there because I'm a full-time creator right now. So yeah, please just subscribe. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.